Hey everyone, and welcome back to the farm. It has been a busy week here. Our biggest priorities for the week included amending and expanding our strawberry patch, as well as putting in our potatoes for the year. In order to amend and expand the strawberry patch, I had to pull some weeds and lay down a layer of cardboard to prevent the weeds from growing through. I amended the soil by mixing some topsoil with aged horse manure, as well as covering it with some mulch I had found around the farm. Finding mulch in our area proved to be a little difficult, so I began to look around our woods and I had noticed some dead trees, and when I hit them with the shovel they completely broke apart, and I thought that is mulch. So I went ahead and gathered that and was able to cover this bed with that mulch, which will also lock in moisture and prevent additional weeds from trying to get through. We knew we were approaching the window to be able to plant our potatoes, so we decided to make that a priority this week, and I am happy to say we were able to accomplish that. I made a video all about how we planted our potatoes, and I will link that above so you can see it. Oh, hello, little greenhouse. So, now that those potatoes are gone, I can move these guys over there. Everything's looking so good. I'm waiting for these collards to go to seed because I thought, why not? Try to collect some seeds off of them. Same with these kale plants. I figured I would just go ahead and collect the seed as well. I've got some radish that's going to seed. Figured I might as well try it. It's not hurting anything, and if it doesn't work, I'll let a few go to seed in the field. These are little Parisian carrots. Oh, they look so good and fluffy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. In the winter, we took this off so that the plants could get the most amount of sun. And now that things are warming back up again, I'm noticing some sun scald on our plants on the upper shelves, and they're drying out really fast. And just knowing how quickly it can go from cool to hot here, it's just time to go ahead and put this up. So last year, Aaron tied these strings to it and put in these little eyelets, I think they're called, and we'll just tie them on each side, and that'll hold it in place, and we had no problems with it last year. The hardest part is just getting it all to line up and be even, but totally worth what we paid for it. I believe I got it on Amazon, so I'll link that down below if I did, where I got it from. And then this greenhouse is a 10 by 12 Harbor Freight greenhouse that we had delivered here. And
I think so.
We've had it exactly a year, and so far, no problems. We do have one small leak in it, but that's something that could be easily fixed and can happen with any greenhouse. So far so good. It's holding up really well. I've been really happy with it, and I've grown a lot of food in it. A video about our homestead wouldn't be complete without our animals. These mamas are still working at keeping these eggs warm, and hopefully we will have baby chicks running around in just a few short weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video about what was going on here on the homestead this week. We look forward to seeing you back again. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting the farm, and we will see you next time.